Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we train.
Wagwan again, Unstoppable family. So people, certain states in the US allowing businesses to open their doors. While many persons are excited about this, especially in the black communities, some people are say we still not trust it. One person who speak out against this was Jermaine Dupree and also our very own Spice. Spice I said, no, you can't trick me. Me nah come outside. Me a stay right in this up on my couch cause me full up and me Jamaican food them. So me nah go out the door. So Spice I'll show off I can food them. I mackerel or sardine and ackee and all them sitting there where she have pack up in her cupboard. Make we listen to what Spice I go on with over there.
That's why I tell us that them can't trick me about no food and me for come out Monday. Me show in my cupboard. Cause I don't understand what I want. I don't feel like say me there foreign. Me think now shot. Me go Jamaican shopping. Me go whole heap of Jamaican shopping. So you can see it. Me go Jamaican shopping. And buy up my Jamaican things them. So you can see it. I'm sure what I want. Cause I don't understand this. As a matter of fact, I take them down. Because through my shot and the something them they up eye. Hold on. Through up so eye. Me make sure to you see what I want up so? Eh? You see what I want? You know see what I want. I want to take down my Jamaican something them. I couldn't see what I want. So all of who feel like say Monday me I go dead. Not gonna happen. Not this Monday. What's it crazy? Not this Monday. Most of next Monday. But not this Monday. Could have that Monday, yeah. Most of next Monday. You mad? What's it crazy? Watch right and so. Watch ya. The quarantine, you know, say. Watch over ya, so. What's it crazy? Must be crazy. And saltfish in my fridge with baked beans, so. It must be crazy. Watch Jamaican things. So don't understand. I'm coming enough to fill the camera. I'm afraid to touch something here. Watch yourself. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's crazy. Monday again, you must be crazy. Tuesday again. Wednesday again. Thursday again. Watch Jamaican things over here, so. Must be crazy. Me nah go outside. Them could trick me. I mean, open the fridge and start showing the food. Me, restaurant at open Monday. Me love my belly, but me can't cook. And me glad me can't cook. Me not go no restaurant Monday. So Trump could have tricked me. Watch Jamaican things over here, so. Good tin mackerel or something them. What sardine? I should have showed you the tough crackers. You must be crazy. That going outside. So I not trust the something where them a talk about. The place I go open my back.
Well, Spice look like so she have enough to stay inside for a couple of days still. But you don't know, we eat 3 times a day. Well, I don't know how much time a day Spice eat still. But talk to me in the comment section. You don't feel like them they can hold Spice for all one next week or 1 week and a half or what? Talk to me in the comment section. Alright, now as I said, Jermaine Dupree is one of the persons who also spoke out against this. And you know, Jermaine have a few points that he wanted to make. Make we take a listen to what Jermaine Dupree had to say.
What's up, people? Before I start this message, I just want to say, if you don't like language, couple of N-words here and there, this, that, and the third, then you might not want to listen to this message. Because I don't know how to say it. I want to talk to people the way I would talk to them on one-on-one. So, excuse me, I'm sorry in advance, all right? But I'm going to say it the way I feel like it should be said. This morning I woke up to multiple messages from people that's not from Atlanta, people from outside of Atlanta, saying, Jermaine, what's going on? What the hell is going on? There's people, they saying they going to open the state back up. The governor's opening Atlanta back up. And you niggas out there is excited. First of all, I'm not excited. And that's why I have this mask on. Because I feel like for the first time in 4 weeks that my chances of getting sick are probably greater. The fact that people are starting to feel like they're getting ready to be able to go outside and they're going to be hanging out and this, that, and the third. And I don't like that. You know what I mean? I don't like that. Secondly, y'all know the love that I have for this city and what I pour into this city and how much I care about Atlanta. So this message is really for us in this city. The image that we have in this city, I don't like. I don't like the way people think, our minds move, and the way people are like basically shortchanging us to make us look like we just a bunch of dumbass niggas out here running around happy to spend money and drugs, strip clubs, and you know, just bullshit, right? And that's the image we got. You know, no disrespect to Gilly the Kid, but I seen his message, and I'm not saying but he said it basically in a way that even made me think even more about this message that I'm doing. Like, yes, this is what people think, man. People think black people in Atlanta, they can't wait to get outside so them niggas can run around and show their cars off and this, that, and the third. Like, that's our image, people. And that don't need to happen, man. Like, for real. If that is our image, let it be our image when it ain't no corona. But not during this time period. And no disrespect to any other state, any of the other places in the state. Georgia does not just mean Atlanta. But when people from a different city or people from other places think about Georgia, the first place they think about is Atlanta. When people think about Atlanta, the first thing they think about is black people, right? How good black people live in this city. How raising your family in this city is probably the most effective than any other place in the United States or the world to be. With that being said, COVID-19 has the highest cure rate with the African American community. Now, listen to what I said. When people think about Georgia, they think about Atlanta. When people think about Atlanta, they think about black people. This virus has its highest kill rate with black people. Right? On top of that, Georgia ranks last in testing. Yes, I'm reading. I want to make sure I'm saying this correct. Georgia ranks last in testing. Now, saying on here, we had 137 deaths just yesterday. So, you know, if you do have to go out and get a haircut, we all need haircuts. If you do have to go out, get your nails done out. I mean, listen, what I want you to understand is they're expecting us to die. They expect to hear multiple deaths over this weekend, or not this weekend, after this weekend passed. And that don't have to be like that. We don't have to go that way, and we can change this. Yes, if places are open, let them just be open, and let them feel that black dollar too. That's another thing, because another thing that we ignore in this city is the fact that the city moves by the black dollar. So when we talk about economics, y'all ain't got to spend y'all money, man. you know, I know everybody want to get out. I know everybody tired of being cooped in the house. But on some real shit, man, you ain't gotta, don't die because you bored. And my last little piece I'm gonna say is that, you know, I had people, when I do these messages, I had people say, Jermaine, you ain't woke, man. Bro, I ain't expect you to be this person. You ain't woke. On Gilly the Kid's message that he posted, he asked us, do we not see the blitz? So now it's looking like all the people that want to go outside. By the way, all the people that don't want to go outside, I have people on here tell me, Jermaine, you know that this virus is fake. This virus is a hoax. This virus is not real. Meanwhile, in Kentucky, after they had a protest, and I posted something about this too, saying I don't understand these protests. You see these protests where these people are outside and they're talking through bullhorns with no mask on. They're chanting, freedom, USA, blah, blah, blah. I understand all that. Yes, it's a free country and we should be able to do what we got to do. But in Kentucky, they've seen the highest spike in coronavirus cases after the protest. After the protest. So, to the person that told me, Jermaine, this virus ain't real, this is... Okay. If that's what you want to think. All I'm saying is, people, don't fall for the okie doke.
Now that was Jermaine Dupree's point on the matter. What do you say about that? You agree with Jermaine or what? Or, you tell me, if you in the States right now, and the state where you in is allowing businesses to open up, I know somehow you are going to get excited and glad and say, yes, freedom, finally, right? But talk to me in the comment section and let me know. Will you be one of those persons who will be willingly running outside without knowing if everything is fully under control yet? Talk to me down below. I want to know. Alright, nasty can't stay with you too long. This is just one update from Unstoppable. Look out for me for throughout the rest of the day. And no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm Unstoppable. Please stay safe.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.